Hi everyone, in this video, we'll see how to configure GCC VAT in your Zoho Inventory organization. Value-added tax or VAT is an indirect tax imposed on goods and services in the GCC countries. Registered businesses will levy VAT on the goods and services that they supply on behalf of the government. In this video, we'll take the UAE edition as an example. Worry not, the settings will predominantly be the same for other GCC editions. First, let's see how to set up VAT. Log into Zoho Inventory, go to Settings on the top right corner and click Taxes. Select Yes against the field Is your business registered for VAT? Now, enter your 15-digit tax registration number. Mark this box if you're doing business outside the UAE. Mention the date on which you have registered for VAT. Now, click Save. Once you enable VAT in your organization, Zoho Inventory automatically populates the default tax rates. In addition to these taxes, if you wish to add any other tax, you can add them manually. Click the tax rates from the left sidebar and click the plus new button. In this video, let's create a Saudi Arabia standard tax of 15%. Here, enter the tax name, rate percentage, and choose the GCC member state. Now click Save. Now you can associate VAT with items and also in transactions. You have to choose the correct VAT treatment while creating customers and vendors. These VAT treatments will be applicable for them when you create the corresponding sale and purchase transactions. We hope you've got a clear picture on how to configure your GCC VAT in Zoho Inventory. To know in detail about the VAT treatment, you can click the link given in the description below. Contact us at support@zoho-inventory.com. For more videos on the different features in Zoho Inventory, you can subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to get notifications about new videos.